Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video on this channel. This video is about a BMW E30 2.8 24v 374 horsepower. This BMW is static on OZ racing rims. Owner changed color of the car, changed a lot of exterior parts, changed engine parts, and now it's a simple and powerful BMW. Has 374 horsepower. Do you like powerful cars?
You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Leave in comment section below what car do you want to see in next video. I will try to make that video. After you done that, make sure subscribe and turn notification on. In this way you don't miss when I upload your requested car. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to know if these videos inspire you for your car project. Bye bye and see you next time.